Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Gulam Sarwar Shuman. You are watching me on my YouTube video. Today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about a very important topic, and the topic is causative verb. Because some work we do by our own action, and some work we have to do by the other people or by taking the help of another person. Their causative verb should have to be used. How? Let's have a good example. I eat rice. I feed rice. That means when you will talk I eat rice, you will do that action. I eat rice and I feed rice. The first sentence is I eat rice. That means the work you are doing that action. But when you will do the work with taking the help of another person, and when you will make the work do by another person, then it will be I feed rice. I feed you rice, like that. So here feed is causative verb. Then I see a bird. I show a bird. I see a bird. That means you are directly watching a bird. But when you will make watch another person to this bird, then it will be causative verb, like that. I show the bird. I know it. That means an information, you know it. When you will make know to another person, that means you will pass an information to another person, it will be like that. I inform you. The third example is remember. You remember a story. When you will make another person to remember this story, the sentence will be like that as a causative verb. I remind you. And right this moment, I am learning or I am teaching. Obviously, I am teaching you about causative verb. That means you are learning and I am teaching. Here, teaching is causative verb. I am learning and you are teaching. I learn it and I teach it. Here, teach is a causative verb. This is end of this video. I think you have understood better about causative verb. Thank you very much.